Hello, welcome back to the Beardo ID channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a buy one get one style promotion, or buy a certain number of products and get free products automatically in your online store. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the Beardo ID channel for more tutorials. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell. Alright, from your Beardo's website dashboard, go to Discounts, then click Create New Discount. First, give your discount a name. Then change the discount type to Got Free Product. Next, choose which product will be given for free. For this example, I'll use Premium Microfiber Cleaning Cloth as the free item. Select the product, choose the variation if needed, then click Save. This is the basic setup. Now let's test it. Go to your store and try purchasing any product. Now, on the checkout page, you'll see that every time a customer buys one product, they automatically get the Premium Microfiber Cleaning Cloth for free. Now, let's improve this promotion. Go back to the discount settings page. Here, you can limit this free product promotion using different conditions. For example, you can enable total purchase, so the free product is only given when the order total is above a certain amount. You can enter the minimum amount here. You can also limit this promotion to selected customers, so only specific customers can get the free product. Or, you can create a more specific Buy X Get Y deal by limiting it to selected products. This means the free product is only given when customers purchase a specific product. So in this example, I'll enable selected products, and I'll choose High Capacity Power Bank as the qualifying product. Now save the settings again. Go back to the checkout page and refresh. If the customer buys a different product, for example, Tech Essentials Mini Storage Pouch, they won't get the free product anymore. But now, let's try purchasing the High Capacity Power Bank. On the checkout page, you'll see that specifically for the High Capacity Power Bank, the customer receives the Premium Microfiber Cleaning Cloth for free. Next, you can also set the quantity option. For example, set it to 2. This means the customer must buy 2 units of the high-capacity power bank to receive the free product. Click Save. Now let's test it again. Refresh the checkout page, and you'll notice that no more free products are listed here, because we only add one product. If we add one more, the customer receives the Premium Microfiber Cleaning Cloth for free. Try adding 4 units of the high-capacity power bank to the cart. On the checkout page, you'll see the customer receives 1 free microfiber cloth, because the promotion is currently Buy 2 Get 1. Now, what if you want this deal to apply in multiples? Go back to the discount settings and enable the option Apply Multiple Use. Click Save. Refresh the checkout page again. Now the deal is Buy 2 Get 1, and it applies in multiples. Because the customer ordered 4 units, the system will give 2 free microfiber cloths automatically. Alright, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Beardo channel for more tutorials. Also, follow our social media accounts for more useful content. See you next time.